Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Simran if you're new here, and I do makeup, beauty and sometimes lifestyle content here on my channel. So if that interests you, I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel because we have a lot of fun here. So for today's video, I am super excited because this is my first ever mystery box opening, and oh my god, it's from one of my top makeup brands, which is Colourpop. Yes, it's a Colourpop mystery box unboxing, and I got this in India without any customs, without paying any shipping. So if you want to know about all those details, I will talk about those details towards the end of this video after I've completed unboxing this box, because I feel like that is what most of you might be here for. So Colourpop was offering 3 different sized mystery boxes. I'll leave the exact names here. I don't remember. I got the medium sized one. Now this was worth 49 American dollars, and they were offering free shipping, free international shipping if you bought this or the one that's larger than this. I think I used Trend Moods 10% off Colourpop affiliate code, and I literally scored 10% off of even $49. So I think I ended up paying 44 or 43 American dollars. I'll leave the amount that I paid in Indian rupees on the screen here. I placed the order for this box on 18th August, and I think I got it on the 21st September. So it took this box well over a month to reach me here in India. However, I must say this is not the first time that I'm ordering from Colourpop. I have ordered from them before, and I did once even receive my package in like 2 weeks. So it really depends on their order volume, if it's a sale period or if it's like a really exciting launch. Like I'm sure a lot of people must have been excited for this, because this box is supposed to have a 102 American dollars value worth of products in here, but I only ended up paying officially $49, but then I used the code and paid around $44 for this. So yeah, you're getting so much for so little. I can totally understand if there was excitement around this. Okay, anyways, let's just get to unboxing. I am so excited because I love Colourpop. Not going to lie, I have already seen a lot of unboxings of this box, and I have some idea of what could be in here. So when you open the box, this is how it looks like. A lot of bubble wrap in here to keep the items safe, and oh my god, there are literally so many items in here. Can you even see? Yeah. So the first item is this Colourpop medium fluff brush. This is the F24 medium fluff brush, and I think it's from look how cute it is. I love the shape of it. I think it's going to be perfect to apply powder underneath my eyes, or even maybe to apply blush. You know what? I actually want to see if this box really has items worth $102 or not. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find the prices without discount of each and every item and try to put it up somewhere on the screen, and at the end we're going to total it and see if it comes out to be $102 or around that mark. But yes, I'm happy to get a brush because more is more with makeup brushes. Next up, I have a So Juicy gloss. Wow, I have not tried these. This is a plumping gloss, and it's in the shade Beechwood. It looks like a nude gloss to me, which is right up my alley. By the way, if there is something in this box that I know I won't use or something that I already have, I will do a giveaway with it. This is the swatch of it. It is right up my alley. Wow, this gloss, I'm putting it on right now. It smells like Colgate. It smells like a little bit like toothpaste and like minty. It's definitely like a thick gloss. It feels minty on the lips. It's not a burning kind of plumping, which is great because I know some people don't like that. I love how glossy my lips look, and I love the plumping sensation. Feels minty. Okay, so then I got the Sol Body Shimmering Dry Oil. I already have one. This is in the shade Paloma. I don't have this shade in it, so I will definitely be putting this in the giveaway. I'm just going to show you guys the bottle of it and like the shade of it. I feel like this is a pretty neutral shade and it will look good on most skin tones. I already have this in the shade Peach Bellini, I want to say, and I have literally not even used it once. I kind of regret getting it because I don't like putting stuff on my body. I don't know why I even got it. I feel like just to try it, which is okay. So this is definitely going to go in the giveaway. The giveaway is not going to be announced in this video. I will do it in a later YouTube video or maybe on my Instagram. If the giveaway does end up being on my Instagram, do not forget to follow me on there. This is my Instagram handle. I will also link it in my description so you can easily follow me on there. Okay, so the next product is from Fourth Ray Beauty, which if you don't know is another sister brand to Colourpop, and Sol Beauty is also a Colourpop sister brand, which is the product that I showed you before this. So this is their Oat Face Milk. So it's supposed to be soothing and hydrating. I have actually heard my favorite YouTuber slash makeup artist Robert Welsh talk about these Fourth Ray face milks. He really likes them, specifically before makeup, I want to say, but don't quote me on that. And ever since he said that he liked them, I wanted to try these out. Okay, so I don't think this has much of a scent to it, which is amazing if you do not like fragrance in a skincare. That looks good. Okay, even if this has fragrance, it's like very mild. I'm excited to use this before makeup and I'm definitely going to try this out. By the way, this is a plastic packaging. I always thought before I actually got it in my own hands that these were glass bottles, but it's all plastic. Next up, I got a Colourpop Lippy pencil. This is in the shade Cool BFF. Oh my god, I really wanted this one, this exact one. I wanted to buy this, and I really also want to buy Ashton. It is another cool neutral shade. Can you believe it? I literally wanted this exact shade. Oh, I just broke it. It's okay. It's okay though. So this is the swatch of it. It's a cool neutral shade and I just broke it and I don't even have a sharpener to show you. Can you believe this is the exact shade I wanted in this pencil? Like, I was actually going to buy this. So next up we have a Super Shock shadow in Birthday Wish. I think this Super Shock shadow was the very first product that Colourpop ever launched, and of course they were a big hit. They still are a big hit to this day because this formulation is amazing. I do have two shades in the Super Shock eyeshadow, but it's not Birthday Wish. This is the shade Birthday Wish. Let's see how it would look on my eyes. I already have a lot of eye makeup on. By the way, this gloss, I had two lip products underneath it. You can see no stringiness, nothing. It feels very lightweight and cooling on the lips. So far I'm loving the gloss formula. At first I was a little bit skeptical because it seemed really thick and goopy, as you can see over here, but it doesn't feel thick and goopy at all on your lips. What? I am shook. I know no one uses that word anymore, but I really hope that it's coming on camera as it is in real life. It has taken my eye makeup to another level. I am glad I got this. Wow. I don't even want to move on to the next product because this is so pretty. But I am going to move on. So the next product is this Colourpop Pressed Glitter. This is in the shade IYKYK, which means if you know, you know. So this is one of the single shadows. I do have a Colourpop empty pan, so it can go inside of that, but I don't really use glitters. So a part of me says that I should put this in the giveaway, and yeah, I think I'm going to put this in the giveaway for you guys. if you are interested in this. I do think that the shade is super pretty. It's like a holographic shade. It has purple, silver. I can't swatch it obviously because I'm giving it to someone. Next up we have another Super Shock product, but this is a Super Shock blush and it's in the shade Cheerio. Okay, so this is another product that I will have to put in the giveaway because there is no way that this will look good on me. I mean, I actually do know how I can make this work for me, but that will, like, I already know I will never use this, maybe once or twice for a video, but that's that. For me, it will just sit in my makeup cupboard, in my makeup closet. I feel like someone else can get a better use out of this, not just because the shade is a little bit too dark for me, but also because of the fact that it does have some sort of shimmer and glitter to it. And not glitter actually, it's just very, very, very fine shimmer. But you know what, I'm putting this in the giveaway. So yeah, this is how the blush looks like. So next up I have a Creme Gel Liner, and this is in the shade Boots. Let's see how this looks like. From the packaging of this, I feel like this is from like a Colourpop collection. It has stars on it, maybe from the Barbie collection. I don't know if you guys know what collection this eyeliner is from, let me know. Like, even the packaging of it has stars on it. It's definitely from a collection. Can you see it? I'm holding it straight, but it's like this. It's curved. I hope you guys can see. It's a little bit wonky. Wow, that swatched amazingly. I'm going to put it in my lower waterline to see if it actually performs like this on my eyes or not. I did have to like build it up and go like this quite a bit underneath my eyes, but now that I have it on, it looks good. I like it, and I really feel like it will be easier to use on your lid. It will show up more versus your waterline. It is a very matte pink color. I love that. I would say this is another hit from the box for me. Okay, next up I actually have a whole ass eyeshadow quad. This is from their Animal Crossing collection. Did you play this game? Because I heard about it, but I did not play it. This eyeshadow quad is in the shade La Belle of the Ball. The packaging is so cute, but I am going to throw it away. However, I have to be honest, I wish it was the new neutral quads that Colourpop has, the new eyeshadows, if you know what I'm talking about. I really, really, really wish that this is what I had gotten instead of this, because I don't play Animal Crossing. I have never played it. I'm just not interested in it. The colors of this, they are good. I will actually use them. And this quad, by the way, I feel like it's very versatile. Definitely not in terms of color, but in terms of the kind of shadow formulas that this has. You can see a matte over here, a duochrome metallic sort of a shade here, and then this shade is one of those shades that is a matte shade, but it has shimmer blended in it. And then this is like a straight up chunky pressed glitter sort of a situation. So this is in the shade Able Sisters. It's the chunky pressed glitter. This is the matte shade with shimmers in it. It's called Taylor's Ticket. I think it's quite pretty. This is the duochrome shade. Wow, it's so pretty, right? It's called Custom Design. And then please forgive the swatch, but this is the shade Serene Sable, and it is the matte purple shade. This shade seems very dry and patchy, but we'll see how it performs on the eyes. Next up, I got a Lippy Stix from Colourpop, and this is in the shade Trust Me Matte X. Oh, okay, so it's in the shade Trust Me, and Matte X is the formula. So I can tell by the sticker that it's a red shade. If you know me, You know, I hardly ever wear bright shades. I love my neutral lipsticks. I would wear red shades more, but I feel like most of them make my teeth look yellow. I'm actually excited to get this because I do not have a lot of red lipsticks in my collection. Since I don't wear them as much, I don't also invest in them. And I'm also glad to have this because I really wanted to try this Lippy Stix formula from Colourpop. I'm gonna do it once again. I'm not applying any pressure. Wow, I am getting other shades in this formula. This seems so good, man. Like so pigmented. So glad I got this Lippy Stix. Anyway, let's move on to our last product. And this is the Act Natural Defining Mascara in the shade brown. Yes, 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 yes. I really wanted a brown mascara for such a long time. However, I don't know how this is going to be because I don't think I have heard highly about Colourpop mascaras. This is how the wand of it looks like. I have of course never used it, but I feel like it's going to be a decent mascara, not too bad but not too good. I will definitely test this out literally tomorrow. Okay, so this was everything we received in the box. Let me count actually how many products we got. So I got 12 products in total, and this is the total of all these products, their full value without a discount, and this is what the total comes out to be. Honestly, after looking at the total, I do feel like the box was worth it. I got so many Colourpop formulas that I had not tried before and that I feel like I'm actually going to love. Some of them I wanted to try, some of them I didn't really care for so much, but now that I have tried them, like the So Juicy lip gloss, I'm actually excited to have these. So now the question remains if I think this box was worth 49 American dollars or 44 American dollars, which is what I ended up paying. Honestly, I think it is 100% worth it. I got 12 items and 80% of them I'm actually excited to use. Some of them I already love, like the shadow, the lip gloss. The shades were spot on in the lipsticks and the eyeshadow and everything, but I definitely think that $44 for this much makeup and this much amazing quality makeup is definitely worth it. If Colourpop ever does a mystery box again, I think I will be up to buying it. If you bought this mystery box, or if you bought the smaller one or the bigger one, let me know what you thought of it in the comments. I think that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and also follow me on my socials. I have linked those in the description box down below. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.